Today is really a very special day in the life of our institution. It marks an important milestone in the education of our students. We break ground for a new School of Business, a state-of-the-art that we believe will provide the very powerful learning experience for our students. It's going to be equipped with technological innovation, trading room, entrepreneurship room, and all of the training devices that our students need to move into the 21st century. So we are moving our institution into the next phase of our mission. Our hope for the future is that with the construction of this new building, we can begin to attract even more students to our campus. We can begin to increase our diversity. Students of all races, of all color, will come here to get the best education that an institution can provide so they can go into the workforce and continue to contribute to the world. That is our hope. And so we look forward to the finishing of this building, and we look forward to the actual ribbon cutting when the building opens next year, fall of 2022. We love NCCU because traditionally we have been in the business of educating students and preparing them for the future. This is in line with that tradition. We continue to look for ways by which we can improve what we do through the hiring of very strong faculty, through the expansion of our facilities, and through the expansion of recruiting the best students to our campus. So we continue in that tradition that our founder laid down when the university was founded.
We are excited to look into the future as we break ground on a new School of Business building. This 76,000 square foot structure will house resources to advance our programs to offer a space for innovation and physically resemble the 21st century business design model that our students will soon enter into. Located on the corner of Alston and Lawson Street, the building will be an impressive gateway to North Carolina Central University's campus. With the inclusion of a new culinary lab and dining room, our hospitality and tourism program will be able to demonstrate in real time how to institute the kinds of innovation and best practices necessary to advance our students' prospective hospitality careers and the industry as a whole. We will have over 600 square feet of business incubator space to cultivate our student businesses and promote their entrepreneurial aspirations. A trading room to further support our financial management programs, an innovation lab to give space for technological advancements, and a behavioral research lab with a focused study room to give our students and professional development coordinators access to experiential instruction will be included in our new school. With executive conference rooms, we will have state-of-the-art facilities to host distinguished guests, board of visitors, corporate partners, and academic colleagues. Last but certainly not least, we will have a 200-seat auditorium available to host lectures, workshops, classes, and special series events. With a commitment to continued community outreach and student development, this building will house services that will provide financial counseling and workshops through the Peggy Ward Financial Literacy Center, a volunteer income tax assistance for low-income residents, a cybersecurity lab for high school and community training programs, a real estate center to support community service learning projects for our graduate students, and a center for entrepreneurship and economic development to provide technical assistance to small businesses. Scheduled to be completed in 2022, we are excited to go into the next frontier of business education through the development of this new building.